Good morning students. Today we will start with the chapter number 6 algebraic expressions. We will discuss here the topics algebraic expression, variables and constant, terms and coefficient, like and unlike terms. First of all, what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of letters and numbers. Algebraic expression क्या है? Letters और numbers का combination है. Now the second term is variables and constant. Numbers which is known as the constants, and the numbers which are not known, that is known as the variables. For example, x, y, z, whose value is not known, that is known as the variables. And the values whose values is constant, for example 6, 5, 7, that is known as the constant. When we add, subtract, divide or multiply these variables and constant known as the algebraic expression. अब आप लोगों को क्लियर करना है कि वेरिएबल क्या होता है और कांस्टेंट क्या होते हैं. सपोज आपके घर में क्या है, आपके दादा के पास भी वही घर था, आपके पापा के पास भी वही घर है और आप भी उसी घर में रह रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स दैट इज नो चेंज फॉर द हाउस. सो वो वैल्यू चेंज नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दैट वैल्यू इज कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, जो वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रही है, हुज वैल्यू इज फिक्स्ड. एंड फॉर द वेरिएबल्स क्या है, जिसकी वैल्यू टाइम टू टाइम चेंज हो सकती है. जैसे आपके दादा साइकिल चलाते थे, थोड़े और बड़े हुए पापा आपके क्या चलाते थे, स्कूटर चलाते थे, लेकिन अब क्या चला रहे हैं, गाड़ी. तो मीन्स टाइम के साथ जो वैल्यू चेंज होती रहती है, दैट इज नोन एज द वेरिएबल्स. वेन एवर वी कलेक्ट दीज वेरिएबल्स एंड कॉन्स्टेंट वी मेक अ algebraic expression. For example, x square plus 5x plus 7. So x this is variable and this 7 is a constant, and the combination is known as the, whenever we add these variables and constant, it will become a algebraic expression. This is known as the algebraic expression. Now what is term and coefficient? In this algebraic expression, this is number one term x square, 5x is second term and 7 is the third term. In this expression, x square is also a term, 5x is also a term, 7 is a term. But here x square is a which term? Constant, variable, and this 7 is constant. Is that clear? So this is all about the terms. Here in this expression, how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Which are these terms? First one is x square is a term, that is variable, and 5x is second term, that is also a variable, and 7 is also a term, but this is a constant. Yes, this is a constant. Now what do you mean by coefficient? Now the next topic is coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? कोफिशिएंट के लिए भी हमें क्या करना होगा, एक एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे विच विल बी एन algebraic expression. सपोज x4 plus 7x plus 8. Here this is an algebraic expression. Here x square is a multiple of 1, x is a multiple of 7. This is the constant term. This is a constant term. Now for the coefficient होता क्या है? The multiple of variables in the expression, in algebraic expression, is known as the coefficient. For example, the coefficient of x square, x4 is equal to 1, means x4 किससे मल्टीप्लाई है, 1 से. So that means the coefficient of this x4 is 1, and the multiplier of x is 7. So therefore coefficient of x is equal to 7, and this is the constant term, that is value fixed. So this is all about the algebraic expression, variables, constant, terms and coefficient. Now what do you mean by like and unlike term? Yes, what do you mean by like and unlike? आपको क्या पता है like और unlike में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? सपोज करिए एक बाउल है आपके पास, उसमें 2 में एप्पल रखे हैं, सेम है, दैट मीन्स दीज 2 एप्पल्स आर लाइक. बट एक बाउल है आपके पास, एक में एप्पल रखा है और एक में बनाना रखा है, दैट मीन्स देर आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, दैट इज अनलाइक टर्म्स. सो इन द सेम मैनर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में हम क्या करेंगे, लाइक और अनलाइक टर्म्स को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7x square, 8x square. Here the variable with the same power, if the variable with the same powers, अगर वेरिएबल्स आपके पास सेम पावर के होंगे, दैट मीन्स दीज टर्म्स आर नोन एज द लाइक टर्म्स. क्या बोलेंगे हम इन्हें, लाइक टर्म्स. व्हाट विल बी से दीज, like terms. So 7x square and 8x square are the like terms. If the variables have different powers, suppose 6x4 and 7x cube, then these terms known as unlike terms because they don't have variables equal power, because this is fourth and this is थर्ड पावर. सो दीज आर नोन एज द अनलाइक टर्म्स. क्या बोलेंगे हम इन्हें, अनलाइक टर्म्स. सो आज के टॉपिक में हमने क्या क्लियर किया, एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन क्या होता है, इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द लेटर्स एंड द नंबर्स, and the numbers which are known is known as the constant, and the numbers which are not known, that is known as the variables. And the terms, in the algebraic expression the number of terms included, suppose x square plus 5x, so these are the terms, and the coefficient, the multiplier of the variables is known as the coefficient of that term. And like and unlike terms in the same manner, if the variables having the same power is known as the like terms, if the variables having different powers, that is the unlike terms. So this is all about the algebraic expression, and tomorrow we will discuss with the next topic, that is the subtraction and addition of the algebraic expression.